Hey guys, how you doing? I thought I'd show you something a little different you can do with your CNC machine. Maybe bring some excitement back. So let me show you how to set it up and then we'll see if it works. It's kind of like a teach and learn type system. You'll see. Here I am at the Mach support site for Mach 3. And I'm looking for a plug-in for Mach 3. And there's the reference. You'll scroll through the different plugins, and what we're looking for is this one right here, J Code. And it doesn't say much about it, it just says Jog G Code recording. We're going to go ahead and download that and save it. I'll just put it on my desktop. And notice the extension. M3P instead of MP3. This is not a music file, this is M3P as opposed to MP3. That's confusing. I'm downloading that now, and I'm going to go find a flash drive and put it on it. Flash drive. I'm just going to take that file and put it on the flash drive and save it off. And I'll take it out of the computer and I'll meet you over at the CAD machine. And if you look up .m3p file extension, this is what comes back. Mach 3 plugin file. So this is exclusive to Mach 3 and the Newfangled Solutions. And it says MP3 file is a plugin installer and it's used to add functionality to Mach 3. Here's the setup file that I moved through the flash drive, and you can see it's now an icon because it's on the machine that Mach 3's on. It recognizes it. So I'm just going to copy that and put it right here on the desktop. And this is like an exe file. We can just double click this. So let's go ahead and start the install. It says plugin installed, so let's say OK on that. That icon disappeared. Now we can go ahead and launch our Mach 3, I believe. Let's try that. We're on the techno. Okay, we've got Mach 3 running again. Okay, we're going to go to the config tab and we're going to go down to config plugins. Here's the plugin that we want. It's the J Code. We're going to enable that. Say OK. Now we're going to go ahead and restart. We're going to exit. Bring our Mach 3 back up. Okay, I'm going to set up a little demonstration here. Let's close all G Code. And I'm just going to home the machine where it sits right now. Now if you notice, right up here, next to help, it says Jog G Code. So we click that, and it says record jogs. Click it. It's asking for a name. I'm going to put it in test 7, save. Okay, so this little box pops up and I can add a comment if I want. I'm just going to type in string right here. Y string, you'll see in just a moment. I want to boost my feed rates up a little bit. And I'm going to record my jogs here. I'm going to start out with a point of where it is. Now, what I'm going to do is move this to the side, and I'm going to concentrate on jogging my machine. Let me take you down to the machine now. Okay, I just put a looped piece of string here on the table. Just a random shape. I'm going to take my bit over. Oh, I need to move you down a little. Hang on. See if that'll work for us. I'm going to jog over to it. Okay. I'm going to start right there, and I'm just going to trace this out using my joystick. You can also use the arrow keys. I'm just going to do the whole thing, trace it out the best I can. Whoop. I'm a crazy driver. Okay, and that's where we started. I'm going to pick up the bit. Okay. Now let me take you back to our screen. Okay, we're back to the screen. I want you to notice there's nothing in this window. There's nothing loaded. I'm going to OK this now. So there's now G code in our window. And we can run that G code. Let's go back down to our machine. We're back down to our machine. I'm going to click to start the cycle. There you go. It traced my exact moves at 30 inches a minute with my joystick. Now, I don't know where this could be useful. I don't think it would be very useful in a CNC situation. Maybe. I can see tracing parts out and stuff like that, but really it's hard to control with a joystick if you're controlling all the rapid moves. If you're doing point to point, it would be better, and you could do that. You can also see where the program ran and left the shape of that string on the screen. And I have my G code, and it's saved as test 6, I think it was, or 7. So there you go, guys. So yeah, you can do rapid moves as well with this, and then it'll cut out the jitter, if you will. Let me show you how that works. Okay, let's try a little demonstration here. I have a piece of acrylic, and I'm just going to put it on the table like that. I'm going to click on Jog G Code, record jogs, give it a name. This time we're not going to have record jogs clicked. I'm going to leave the feed rate at 30. I'm going to record the first point, which is my home. Okay. Alright, let me move you back down here. Okay, so I'm going to jog my machine to this first corner right here. I'm just going to put it on the inside for a demonstration. Okay, I'm at my first corner. I'm going to click this, record point, And you notice this is off. Okay, let's jog to the next corner. That's close enough. Let's go back up to the screen. Once again, I'm going to record my point. Click. Now you can do plunges or whatever you want. I'm just leaving the Z where it is for demonstration. Let's go to our next point. Close enough. Let's mark that. And click again. Time to go to the next corner. Okay, that looks good. Let's mark it. There we go. Okay, that'll be our last corner. Mark that. And we can also do one for home if we want, but I think I'll just finish now. And when I hit the OK button, let me zoom out a little. Look over here, and you'll see the code as I hit OK. Okay, it's generated our code, and you can also see where it's we're going to do. Okay, we're back home, and we're going to run our program and see if it connects the dots in a linear fashion. Let me get you a better angle on this. Alright, here we go. Let's start the program. Look at that. It's following a nice straight edge. So it connects the dots in linear fashion. So that's super useful, I think. Isn't it? You could use it to cut a piece out if you didn't want to program it in manually. And the program's done. And we can save this program if we want and repeat it. Well, there you go. There's something you can play with. Hope you liked it. On this video I did, somebody commented, they says Android Play Store has an EMI meter, and it reminded me I have a Ghostbuster EMI meter, don't I? Yeah, we could get that out. Alright, let's try my ghost meter out. Here's my controller down here. It's off. Let's check the computer. Isn't that interesting? Right in there. I think there's a hard drive there. No, there's a fan, right? I think. Even the plug's not bad. Alright, you ready to turn this on? I think it's gonna go wacky. Oh yeah. So there's your problem. The whole thing's just... These are the wires and they don't seem bad. You get right on the stepper. So I don't think this proves anything. I just think it's something fun to do. I mean, it's definitely showing electrical energy of some kind. So yeah, I bought this for a show that I did quite a few years ago. I'll try to remember to put the link in for it. It was just a silly video about Ghost. This is a Ghost meter that I bought for like 10 bucks or something. You can use this on a microwave oven too, I think. Should be able to. There's another stepper down there. Well, anyway, don't prove nothing, but there's definite noise. Let's turn it off and watch it. Right? Yep. That box definitely puts out some electrical noise. Let's try this one over here. I haven't had any problem with this one. This is home built too. Suffers the same problem, doesn't it? Not too bad. Anyway. No, it doesn't prove anything. It proves there's electrical energy in the air. Noise, whatever you want to call it. Computers aren't too bad. Anyway. There, I did it.